Welcome back to AuraTube Motorhome, where today we are stepping into the absolute pinnacle of nomadic luxury. If you thought the Maybach sedans were the height of opulence, wait until you see what they've done with a full-scale living space. We are looking at the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome, a vehicle that doesn't just redefine the RV industry, it essentially creates a new category of land yachts. This is for the traveler who wants to explore the most remote corners of the globe without ever leaving the comfort of a five-star hotel suite. The exterior of the 2026 Maybach Motorhome is a masterclass in aerodynamic elegance. Unlike traditional boxy RVs, this silhouette is fluid and surprisingly sleek. At the front, you're greeted by the iconic, massive Maybach pinstripe grille, which is now illuminated with a soft LED glow that makes a statement even in total darkness. The headlights are the latest digital light units, capable of projecting navigation symbols directly onto the road. Moving along the side, the signature two-tone paint job, a staple of the Maybach brand, stretches across the massive body panels, separated by a hand-painted coach line. You'll also notice the 24-inch forged monoblock wheels that give this behemoth a stance unlike any other motorhome on the market. There are no clunky storage doors or visible hinges. Everything is flush-mounted and opens via touch-sensitive sensors or the smartphone app. Even the panoramic windows are made of smart glass that can transition from crystal clear to completely opaque for total privacy at the touch of a button. Step inside and you'll forget you're in a vehicle. The interior is a sanctuary of Nappa leather, open-pore wood, and genuine rose gold accents. The driver's cabin features the MBUX Hyperscreen, but it's been customized with Maybach exclusive graphics and rose gold trim. However, the real magic is behind the front seats. The living area features a lounge configuration with zero-gravity massage chairs that can recline fully. The floor is made of sustainable yacht decking teak wood, which feels incredible underfoot. In the kitchen, you won't find plastic bins. Instead, there is a full marble countertop, a hidden induction cooktop, and a refrigerated wine gallery specifically designed to hold champagne flutes. Towards the rear, the master suite features a king-size bed with a Starry Sky headboard, mimicking the celestial roof found in Maybach cars. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a walk-in rainfall shower with heated stone floors and smart mirrors that can display your morning news or health vitals while you get ready. Performance-wise, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome is a beast disguised as a beauty. It is powered by a sophisticated plug-in hybrid system that pairs a 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine with high-output electric motors. This setup produces a staggering 700 horsepower and even more impressive torque, allowing this heavy vessel to merge into highway traffic with the grace of a sports sedan. Because it's a hybrid, you can enjoy silent mode, which allows you to glide through national parks or quiet campsites using only electric power, ensuring you don't disturb the peace of nature. The ride quality is where Maybach truly shines. It features an advanced e-active body control suspension system that uses cameras to scan the road ahead. If the sensors detect a pothole or a bump, the suspension adjusts each wheel individually in milliseconds to keep the cabin perfectly level. It's essentially a magic carpet ride on 6 wheels. Now, let's talk about the price, because luxury of this magnitude comes with a heavy investment. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome starts at approximately $1.2 million. If you opt for the Bespoke Edition 1 or the Grand Residence package, which includes off-grid solar arrays, a built-in Starlink hub, and personalized interior monograms, that price can easily climb toward the $1.8 million mark. While that sounds astronomical, when you consider that this is a high-performance vehicle, a luxury home, and private office all rolled into one, the value proposition starts to make sense for the world's elite travelers. This motorhome represents the future of high-end travel. It's for the person who values their time and comfort above all else, providing the freedom to go anywhere without ever feeling like they've left home. From the silent hybrid powertrain to the hand-stitched leather ceilings, every inch of this vehicle screams excellence. It isn't just a way to get from point A to point B, it's a destination in itself. Would you like me to create a detailed comparison table between this Maybach motorhome and its top luxury competitors?